morning, dear students. Assalamu alaikum, marhaban. Sabah al-khairi ya talab. Sabah al-khairi ya talab. Good morning, students. Haza named Jafri. Haza named Jafri. This is Eng here. Dauna nabadal darsal yomi. Dauna nabadal darsal yomi. Let's start today's lesson. Here are my students. The first statement is Man haza. Man haza. Who is this? Man haza. Who is this? ये कौन है? Man haza. Who is this? ये कौन है? अरबिक में कहते हैं Man haza. Man haza. Who is this? ये कौन है? उर्दू में कहेंगे ये कौन है? और अरबिक में Man haza. Man haza. ये कौन है? Who is this? Answers may be haza tajir. Haza tajir. Haza tajir. Haza tajir. This is a merchant. This is a merchant. ये एक ताजिर है. Haza tajir. This is a merchant. ये एक ताजिर है. So see my students, this is a merchant. ये एक ताजिर है. In Arabic, haza tajir. Haza tajir. And question was man haza. Man haza. ये कौन है? Who is this? Who is this? Haza tajir. Haza tajir. ये एक ताजिर है. Let's see the next statement. Haza kitun. Haza kitun. Haza kitun. Haza kitun. This is a cat. This is a cat. ये एक बिल्ली है. Haza kitun. Haza kitun. This is a cat. This is a cat. ये एक बिल्ली है. Let's see the next statement. Haza rajulun. Haza rajulun. Amin is haza. ये है rajulun. मैं. Haza rajulun. Haza rajulun. ये question है. This is a question. Is this a lady? Is this a man? Is this a man? Haza rajulun. Is this a man? क्या ये एक मर्द है? Is this a man? Haza rajulun. Haza rajulun. Is this a man? क्या एक मर्द है? Answers may be La haza sayyidun. 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 This is a lady. La means no. No, this is a lady. No, this is a lady. La haza sayyidun. La haza sayyidun. La haza sayyidun. La haza sayyidun. This is a lady. No, this is a lady. Let's see the next statement. Man haza. Man haza. Who is this? ये कौन है? Haza jamalun. Haza jamalun. This is a camel. This is a camel. This is a camel. Haza jamalun. Haza jamalun. This is a camel. And next one is Haza kamizun. Haza kamizun. Is this a shirt? Is this a shirt? Mean is haza. ये है. क्या ये है? कमीजुन. कमीजुन shirt. क्या ये कमीज है? Haza kamizun. Haza kamizun. Is this a shirt? Is this a shirt? क्या ये कमीज है? And answers may be La haza mandilun. La haza mandilun. La haza mandilun. La mean no, नहीं. Haza ये है. Mandilun handkerchief. No, this is handkerchief. No, this is handkerchief. And in Arabic, La haza mandilun. La haza mandilun. No, this is a handkerchief. ये एक रुमाल है. नहीं, ये एक रुमाल है. La haza mandilun. नहीं, ये एक रुमाल है. You see my students, you have seen the questionary statement Man haza. Man haza. Who is this? Who is this? And you have seen the negative statement La. La. La haza sayyidun. La haza sayyidatun. 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 This is a negative statement. नहीं ये एक lady है. No, this is a lady. No, this is a lady. Sayyidatun means sayyida. Sayyida means lady. La haza sayyidatun. La haza sayyidatun. La haza sayyidatun. No, this is a lady. नहीं ये एक खातून है. And another question. Haza kamizun. Haza kamizun. क्या ये एक कमीज है? Haza kamizun. Is this a shirt? Is this a shirt? And answer you see here, La haza mandilun, La haza mandilun, La haza mandilun. No, this is a handkerchief. No, this is a handkerchief. नहीं, ये एक रुमाल है. And here see my students, Man haza, ये क्या है? Who is this? ये कौन है? Haza kitun, haza kitun, haza kitun. This is a cat. Haza kitun. Haza ये है, kitun बिल्ली को कहते हैं. Kitun means cat. Haza kitun, haza kitun, haza kitun. This is a cat. This is a cat. Haza jamalun, haza jamalun, haza jamalun, haza jamalun. This is a camel. This is a camel. ये एक ऊंट है. जमल कैमल ऊंट को कहते हैं. जमल ऊंट को कहा जाता है. कैमल को हाजा जमल. हाजा जमल. This is a camel. And haza tajir. Haza tajir. This is a merchant. Hey my students, today we have seen the English and Arabic statements together. I hope you will memorize these statements. I wish you all the best. Wadan, goodbye. Wadan, goodbye.